Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class. Students, today we are going to learn about third chapter, International Number System. See, already I shared last video about International Number System. So today class, just 5 minutes again I will repeat that concept, International Number System concept. Students, listen. See here, the International Number System place value chart. This is, see here, International Number System place value chart. See, International Number System having three consist. See, first one is the ones place. Next, thousands place. Next, millions place. See here, in this number system, ones place consists of 3 digits. 3 digits means, see here, first one, ones place. Second, tens place. Third one, hundreds place. See here, this is 3 digit. So, ones place consists as 3 digits number. Next coming to thousands place. So, thousands place also consists as 3 digits. See here, first 1000, second 10,000, third 100,000. See again, next comes to millions place. So, millions place also consists as 3 digits. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. So, this is the concept. See students, now we are going to explain example problem. See students, example 1. See page number 18, examples, first example this is. See here, write the international system, the numeral and the number name that each diagram representation. See here example 1, this is the one diagram. See here, in this diagram we have to write numeral and number name. Numeral and the number name, each diagram. See here, that is the question. See, solution, answer. See here in this diagram, look at the diagram students. In this diagram, see first pole having how many rings? See here, 2 rings. See here, first we have to write what? First we can start right hand side. See, right of the beginning from the right side. See here, first how many? 2 rings. Second pole having how many rings? 4. Next, third pole having again 2. Next, fourth pole having again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next pole having 3. Next pole having 6. Last pole having 4. See here, this is the numeral. See here, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4. See here, first we made numeral. See here, next we can put commas here. What is the international numbers is how to put commas? See, international numbers is we have to put commas. First we have to see right side of the beginning. See here, right side. Right side, first we have to 3 numbers after, 3 digits after we have to put comma. See, 2, 4, 2 after. Next to 3 digits, again 3 digits after we have to put one more comma. Why? Because of, see here, ones place consists as 3 digits. Next, thousands place also consists as 3 digits. Millions place also consists as 3 digits. That's why first we have to put the right side of 3 numbers after 1 comma. Next 3 digits after 1 more comma. So here finally numeral is what? See here, what is the international number system? First 4 is the which place? Millions. So that's why 4 million. Next thousands place here, 4 million, 600, 4 million. Next thousands place here, 635,242. See students, understood? First we have to make this diagram, see, and we have to write numeral number. See here, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4. So finally number name 4,635,242. See here, same this like example. See students, same this like example model, exercise 3, first main, same this like model. That one you have to do homework first main. So now next example. Next example 3, A problem. See here example 3, write the following numbers according to the international number system. Write their names. See here first question in third example A problem. See here what they are giving the digits 6, 7, 1, 6, 4, 5, 6. See here first we have to make this number top of the place value with the number top of the place value we have to mention. See here, 6 is the units ones place. Next 5 is the tens place. 4 is the hundreds place. These 3 consist as ones place. Next 6 is the 1000. Next 1 is the 10,000. 7 is the 100,000. These 3 consist as thousands place. Next 6 number having 1 million. So this is having the place millions place. So see now we can write easily now. See after, see here, this is the 6 is the millions place. That's why 6 million. Next 716,000. See here, this is the hundreds place in thousand. This is the tens place in thousand. This is the ones place in thousand. That's why 6,716,456. See students, understood this one? Again 6,716,456. See why? Because 6 is the ones place, 5 is the tens place, 4 is the hundreds place. These 3 numbers consist as ones. Next 6 is the 1000, 1 is the 10,000, 7 is the 100,000. These 3 numbers consist as thousands, the thousands place. Next 6 is the millions place. So students, same this like model, exercise 3, second main, same this like model. So you can do it the homework. See next example for A problem. Write the numeral 6,425,780. See here first 6 million. So first you have to write here 6 million. Next 425. See here 425,000. See next 780. See here 780. See here 6 million first we have to write 6. 7 next 425,000 means 425. 780 means 780. See here next we have to put commas. First we have to start top side of the right side of the first last 3 digit number. See we have to put commas. Next remaining 3 after again you have to put commas. See now 6,425,780 is the answer. Next fourth main B question. Write the numeral. Numeral means they are giving the words and we can make the figure. See here 560,830,416. See here first we have to write 560 million. So this is the millions place. That's why first we have to start 560 million. Next 830,000. See here 830,000. Next 416. See here 416. See here now. See 560 million. This is the millions place. 830,000. This is these three digits are the thousands place. Next 416 is the ones place. So we have to put commas. First we have to start right side. Right side last 3 digits. After again next 3 digits after you can put commas. See here 60,830,416 is the answer. Students, see same this like example model, exercise third main, same this like model. So you can do it third main also. Understood? Homework students. Next one. Next last example, page number 19. Last example. Write 3678475. See, look at this number 3678475. For A, Indian number system, B, international system, and their names also. See here, first we have to write Indian system. See here, what is the giving number? See here, 36,78,475. See, because this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So, Indian number system 36,78,475. See number name 36,78,475. So, we have to put commas. See first to right side of 3 digits number after. Again 2 digits after. So, Indian system 36,78,475. Next international number. Next B main. Indian number system completed. Next international system. See here first international system we have to write 3678475. See here in this digits in this figure. See here 5 is the ones place, 7 is the tens place, 4 is the hundreds place. These 3 digits consist as ones. Next, international number system. Next, 8 is the 1000, 7 is the 10,000, 6 is the 100,000. These 3 digits consist as thousands place. Next, only one number 3 is consist as millions place. That's why number name is, see here, first 3 belongs to millions place. That's why 3 million. 6, 7, 8, this belongs to thousands of international number, tens, ones, tens, hundreds place. That's why see here 3,678,678,000. Next 475. Students, see same this example like model. Exercise 4th main. Same this like model. We have to make international and Indian number system. Write their names also. We have to put commas also. See here last 3 digits after. First we have to put 1 comma. Next 3 digits after again 1 more comma. So exercise 4th main. Same this like model. That one also we have to do homework. Next problem. See here next problem. Exercise 3 5th main. Rewrite the following numbers of the Indian system as per the international system. See here they are giving the question Indian number system. So we should convert to the answer international system. So see first A question 7,82,104 is the given question. So how to convert international system? See here 782,104 we have to put. See but here this is, see first in given question is the Indian number system. They put commas Indian number system. So we should convert to the international number system. See here what is the condition of international number system? First we have to see right side of the last 3 digits. See here last right side last 3 digits after we have to put comma. Next again 3 numbers is there, no? So leave it. So international number system, see 782, 7,882, 782,104 is the answer. Next B question. See here B question they are giving 85,47,783. This is the Indian number system. So we should convert to the international number system. See here first right side of the last 3 digit after we have to put 1 comma. Again next 3 digits after we have to put comma. See now 8,547,783. Understood student how to convert Indian to international number system? Next 5th main E problem. See here they are giving Indian number system 28 crores 47 lakhs 20,123. So we have to make international system. See here 284720,123. See here 123 is the consist of ones place. 720 consist of thousands place. 284 consist of millions place. So that's why first we have to see right side last 3 digit number after we have to put 1 comma. Next again 3 digits after we have to put commas. Why? Because of this is international number system. See now you can read here 284,720,123. Understood students? Remaining which one is I am leaving problem, I left the problems. That problems you can do homework. Next 6th main. 6th main, rewrite the following numbers of the international system as per the Indian system. See here in this problem they are giving international number system. We should make the Indian system. So first question A question 8,313,410. This is the international system. So we should convert to the Indian number system. See here first we have to write 8313410. So Indian number system, this is what first we have to see here 83,13,410. Next B question. See here 23,456,789. This is the international number system. So we should convert to the Indian number system. See how to convert. See first we have to put, see 23 lakhs. Sorry. How much? First we should convert to the 2 crores 34 lakhs 56,789. See here, what is the difference between Indian and international? See here, international number system, last 3 digits, right side 3 digits after you have to put commas, 3 digits after. But Indian number system, last 3 digits after 2 digits after we have to put commas. That is only difference. See students, remaining. Thank you students.